What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy, the one, the only Airsoft Hemi is in the house. Alright, look, I just want to talk to you guys real quick. A few things I'm gonna cover in today's video. I just want to give you guys a little bit of backstory. One, I don't recommend you guys do what I did and take your muscle car or sport car or whatever you drive and take it out into the desert and do some donuts like what I did. I don't recommend you guys do that. One, it's risky, it could damage your paint, and two, my personal opinion, I believe you should do it on pavement. You'll have a lot better results. It seemed like when I was trying to drift out there in the desert, I was pretty much fighting the rocks to try to slide my car, and it wasn't working as well as trying to swing your car on pavement. So I just want to give you guys a little heads up about that. So this video of me out there in the desert drifting and stuff like that was filmed a while back. I had the drone. I put the drone in the sky. Got some really good drone shots of this as well. So you guys really gonna enjoy that. So make sure you watch today's video from beginning to end. Also, I got the Louvers installed. So the Louvers, I'm gonna have, like, as usual, I always have the links to my products that I buy. I always have it in the descriptions. So I have the Louvers. I got it on the rear window, and I also got it on the side. That thing's called the C-pillars. So it gives a more unique look to the Scatpack. Hey pal, I did take those red splitter guards off my car. So this video, as I tell you guys, this video was filmed a little while back. So since then, I did take those splitter guards off my car. So please don't troll me on Facebook. Yeah, you guys know what group I'm talking about. Last but not least, yeah, check out Swag Cartel on YouTube. I've been using his beats in a lot of my videos lately. And people been dropping comments and they really like the music and stuff. So check him out. I got a link to his channel in the descriptions. Check him out and smash that like and subscribe button, at least, or recommend your friends to go see him, and yeah, increase his views. He got some really good content, and even the beats that's playing right now is from him as well. Alright, so y'all check them out now. Come on, let's get to the video. Real quick, I just want to do a before and after I installed the louver cage. So I want you guys to see what the car looked like before and then after. Where the f all these spider webs coming from? I gotta cut that. So I wish I should take you to the back, because that's where you're gonna see it at. So after I get the louvers installed, I want to tint my headlights. Taking off those Dodge letters. If there's enough people that's curious how I did it, it's really easy. I'll do a separate video for that. So now you guys see how it looks before. And then on the louver itself, as you see here, we pretty much got it all bolted all around. So I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 9 to 10. So we got that all together. And I also got my own 3M double-sided tape just for extra support, just in case this is not enough. So people that say this is prone to falling off, I think it all goes back to how well you install it. So pretty much what you want to do is apply pressure to anywhere you think the masking tape was at. Well, the 3M tape. So pretty much a good indicator is wherever these bolts were at. That's what I'm saying, is with the alignment with the C-pillar is pretty bad. Or actually, never mind, maybe I was...
You don't want to do it right here, because if you do it right there...
You gotta speak a little bit louder.
If you do it right there, to where like it leaves open like that, it's just gonna be sunlight right here instead of down here.
You're right. So that's the beauty of a car this big, is you get 2 windows and you get a little bit more room to do that. So let's We're gonna do this on the other side as well. If y'all made it this far, you might as well. You already see it in the window. You go YouTube, Airsoft Hemi, hit that like and subscribe button. This here, this is how it takes off. Try to keep it as stable as possible. Ready? Okay, there it is. Put that back in the camera frame. Yo, look how dirty she is. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need more than one car wash to clean this off. I'm hoping the engine bed doesn't get too dirty. Damn, the red Brembo is damn near brown now. This is the first and only time that's ever gonna happen to my whip. I'm hoping the engine bed stays clean. So we'll find out. Yeah, shit dirty. Yeah, you already know. The next step, where I'm gonna take her to. You already know. Alright, so I'm about to land a drone and then we're gonna be on our way. Yeah, so this is the before and you're about to see the after in 3, 2, 1. I was able to wash it myself for $5. Yeah, it's good, pretty good. I know there's a little bit more dirt that's stuck in between the rims, but yeah, $5, that's all it took me. And yeah, I don't think I'll have to take it to anybody else to get it washed furthermore. I could do the rest myself with my hands and a towel. So I'm about to pull up to the sun and wipe her down. It is gonna be a warm start, so. this is gonna be a mission. Is this how people wash it? I don't know. Seems a little bit redundant. Y'all know of a better way of how you guys wash your louvers? Drop a comment. Yeah, it's pretty redundant. Taking it off every time and putting it back on is a little bit redundant too. $5 was all it cost me to get her looking clean again. Now, there's a few spots I'm gonna have to do a little bit of touch-ups, but for the most part, she's clean. So yeah, this is the after.